Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll discuss how to download, install and configure Apache Tomcat version 11. So, firstly, we required Eclipse IDE. So, go to the browser and search Eclipse IDE for Enterprise Java and Web Developers. And click on this link and download from here. Okay, now after download and installing Eclipse, we required Apache Tomcat. So open the new tab and search here Apache Tomcat download. So we configure a version 11. So go to the official website of Apache Tomcat, open this link and scroll down and from download select Tomcat 11. Go to the binary distribution in core and you must download Windows zip, not a Windows Server installer. So download this Windows zip file and here downloading is start. Open this folder, right click on this folder and extract all. Okay, so after extracting folder, go to this folder and copy this folder and go to the C drive, program files and in Apache Software Foundation select this folder and paste here. So open Eclipse IDE and from here at bottom side server is visible or not tab. Then from Windows we select show view and select this server. So server tab is appear. So now we create a new folder. We have to create a new folder. So click on this and new server. Okay, so here define a new server and first folder is Apache and from this server Apache version 11 select and from here we can configure. Okay, so previous I remove this and again add new, next and from here Tomcat installation directory, from browse we select this extract file. Okay, from Apache Software Foundation folder, click on Apache Software version 11 and then select folder. Okay, and then finish, apply and close. So we configure runtime environment and then next and finish. Okay, so now our server is added here and also here in project explorer a server folder is also added. Okay, so now we can run this server, start. So here some error is encountered a problem. Okay, and go to this server folder, open server.xml file. So open with plain text editor, scroll down and from here connector port 8080. So set here 8080 port. Okay, again I start this server. So here our server is running successfully. Okay, so our server is started. Now we can create a new project. Okay, so now we create a new project, dynamic web project, and here we give the name apps. We select target runtime already here and then next, next and then finish. Okay, so open this apps folder. Okay, so now we can create a server, new server. Firstly, we required create a package. So here com.java.f, this package is created and a new servlet is created here. We can use a class as well as servlet. So my servlet. Okay, and then next and we select here do get and do post. So we require do get method and then finish. Okay, so now here my servlet is mapping with my servlet slash my servlet this URL. So something I want to print something on screen web server on browser. So here I use print writer. So now I create object of print writer. Print writer reference is out and from response. So here to object do get post or request and response. So from response provide get writer method. So we select this to write something on the screen, browser and import this print writer. Okay, so now we can print using out.println. So I give welcome message on browser. Save this server and right click. So our server is already running stage and run on the server, run as on server. Select the server and then next. So configure our file project configure and then finish. Restart required. Okay, so now our port server is running on 8080 this port localhost and here browser is open and welcome message is displayed on this browser. So our website our URL is localhost 8080 port, then project name and then URL. When we hit this URL, then the servlet is run. So in this way, we use Apache Tomcat version 11 in our dynamic web project. So now let's stop here.